for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid offers a spacious interior, an abundance of technology, and safety features galore. When pairing all of this with a dynamic exterior, it's not surprising that everyone is talking about this vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, moonroof, alloy wheels, power steering, anti-theft security system, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.